Hello everyone, this is your SP Balasubramaniam. As promised, I'm here live with you. You know the reason I recorded my first song 50 years back on this day, around the same time actually speaking. I just wanted to meet you all and say hello to you and thank you. Uh, this is actually a thanksgiving to all of you to come and see you in person and say thanks for being with me for all these 50 years. There are so many people, uh, when we announce that 6 o'clock I'll come live, people are waiting. How blessed am I, really? I'm very, very grateful. Hope you're not only the picture, you are getting the audio also properly. I'm sitting at my home and I'm not made up and I'm not, because right from the morning, people are coming and going, blessing me, wishing me, and I had a recording session also. And I may look a bit tired, not because of my 50 years of effort. I'm never tired because music keeps me going, and music is my strength along with you. Uh, don't get perturbed. You know, most of the times people look at me and say, "Sir, you look tired and health pathakanga. Take care of your health. Health baga chuskondi. Nodkobeku nimma health bagge. Aap dekhbhal karna hai aapke bare mein." So many things they ask. I am very well taken care of, and I am here, and I am very healthy. What else can I say? Thank you. What do you express? You express your happiness in seeing me, and express your fanatism for me, for my song. Not for me, for my singing. Thank you. I am blessed to have so many people who like my singing, and my son says that I always repeat the same thing. What can I else say? Are you not part of my journey? You have been and you will be. And I know some of you were not born when I recorded my first song in 1966. But this generation, you have umpteen singers who are giving so much of happiness, but still you are stuck with me. Don't be with me alone. Be with all the singers who sing very good, and good music should be your motto for listening. So don't get fanatic with somebody. Don't get stuck with me. There are so many beautiful singers who are all doing such good job. You patronize them also. Give them more opportunities. Be with them, and don't forget me. That's what I want to say. One song, one line, please. Which language shall I sing? I should have prepared for a medley in different languages, right? But why not? I started in Telugu. I'll sing few lines of my first song, you know. రావే కావ్య సుమబాల జవరాల ప్రియురాల నవకావ్య రాగమాల ఊహకు అందని నీ అందం కని ఊగిపోయెనే నాడెందం మానసమేలే దేవివి నీవి నీదయ నాపై రానివే. I know there are some lyrical mistakes. Please bear with me. This is only a puja pushpam like thing to my mentor, my guru, Kodandapani sir, who had given me the first break. This song I sang along with Sushila Amma, P.P. Srinivas sir, and Raghuramaya. Around 5 o'clock in the evening, we recorded this in Vijaya Garden studio. Swaminathan sir was the recordist, and Sri Padmanabham was the producer and hero of the film. And I'm grateful to all of them. And the next number I sang was for a Kannada film. The title of the film was Nakkare Adeswarga. But I'll sing some other song from Kannada, some other lines from Kannada song. Mamaravillo ಕೋಗಿಲೆಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಮಾಮರವೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕೋಗಿಲೆಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಈ ನೀ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯದೋ ಈ ಅನುಬಂಧ. People who understands Kannada will know how sentimentally I am attached with this song. And then it was Tamil. my mentor, my God, M.S. Viswanathan. The first song he has given me was for a film called Hotel Ramba, along with L.R. Ishware sang it, but that film hasn't seen the light of the day. And next was Shapti Nilayam, you all know. இயற்கை என்னும் இளைய கண்ணி ஏங்குகிறாள் துணையை எண்ணி. This was also again with Sushila Amma. We recorded it in Golden Studios, and by God's grace and your best wishes, and the Golden Studio next in the compound in Avangi, அங்கே எங்கள் குருநாதர் பேரில் ஒரு recording studio கட்டிருந்தேன். And then it was Malayalam. The reason for me to sing in Malayalam was father of Mr. A.R. Rahman, then Dilip Kumar, Mr. Shekhar. அவர் தான் என்னை வந்து இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணி டு தி மாஸ்ட்ரோ, தேவராஜன் மாஸ்ட்ரோ, அண்ட் கேவ் மீ a break. And that song was for none other than நமக்கு எம்ஜிஆர், அமிதாப் பச்சன் எப்படியோ, பிரேம்நாஜிக் சார் was like that. To him it was for கடல் பாலம். The song goes like this. ஈ கடலும் மறு கடலும் பூமியும் மானவும் கடந்து 14 லோகங்கள் காணான் அவிடன்னு போனவரே, അവിടെ മതങ്ങളുണ്ടോ, അവിടെ മനുഷ്യനുണ്ടോ. This is Vairar's lyric. And then came the Hindi. In Hindi, I have sung a lot of songs for dubbed versions from South India to South Indian films to Hindi. But my state song was, you all know, तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना, मैंने नहीं जाना तूने नहीं जाना. I'm grateful to Balachandra sir. Though it was produced, the film was produced by L.V. Prasad ji, Balachandra ji insisted that I should sing to my brother Kamal Hassan. Though to start with, there was a little pressure from the music directors that I may not stand up to the expectations they thought. But Balachandra sir stood very, very steadfast and gave me that break. And from then onwards, I have become a permanent voice for Lakshmikant Pyarelal. And so many songs later than in Bengali, in Oriya, in Tulu, in Marathi, a little bit of Punjabi. So many things have happened. Tough to remember all those numbers. And if I go on singing, and it will become a concert now. So what else you ask me? There's a beautiful name, Rafi Sheikh. Mr. Rafi Sheikh, hi to you. You must be very, very lucky to have that name of that great, the best singer ever this country has produced, maybe ever the world has produced. Actually, I wanted to name, if my offshoot was, my first child was male, I wanted to name him Rafi. But it was a girl, and I named her Pallavi. And by the time my son was born in the next year, there were so many things happening, and I had to name him in a different way. But Rafi is any day my Aradhya Daivam, I can say that. I learned so much. Why me? So many singers, everybody, and he's the best to my knowledge. There are so many great singers to whom with I worked, and I learned so much by listening to them all. But Rafi is something extraordinary. He is straight from the God, I think, and the soulful rendition of his numbers, it brings me tears till today. And भूल सकती नहीं आँखें वो सुहाना मंजर, जब तेरा हुस्न मेरे इश्क से टकराया था, और फिर राह में बिखरे थे हजारों नगमे. I forget the lines. re ra ra re re ta ra 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 ta ra ra आ मुझे फिर उन्हीं हाथों का सहारा दे दे मेरा खोया हुआ रंगीन नजारा दे दे मेरे महबूब तुझे मेरी मोहब्बत की कसम. Thank you, friends. So many names and so many requests, so many things are. Somebody is asking, sir, why don't you come to Mauritius? You have crowded fans here, and who knows? I might be there, but I cannot come on my own and do a concert there. If somebody is interested, let them contact my son. I'll give the link, my mail ID. That is what is it? SPB50 Facebook page, and if you want the mail ID, that's not necessary. SPB50 Facebook page is there. You can go there and you can express yourself and you can invite me. If all goes well, our paths might cross sometime or other. That shouldn't be a problem. Wherever you want me to come, if the logistics are logical and if we all can come and do a show, nothing gives me more happiness than that. Thank you all. And sir, I am from Myanmar, Burma. Okay, Mr. Baran, Yokesh Baran, thank you so very much for being with me. And Ganesh Ramaswamy, Shravani, Murali Mohan, Rajan Kant, George, Jalil Putaya, Ajay Nemar. Okay, good to see you all live. You miss me, Safi Kammu? Yes, what to do? Once in a way now I know this trick of coming to you in person and talking, chatting to you. I might be there with you. Let us all have some good time. Thank you, friends. And all nice things have to come to an end sometime or other. Not my singing. Mind you, I sing as long as I can and God wishes, and you are all there with me. And take good care of yourself and try to do something good for others. That's very, very important. The entire world is not that happy, not that hunky-dory. If you can part with something by keeping people happy, try to do that. And don't just get into a shell and I'm here, I'm taking care of myself, I'm singing. If I think like that, it won't happen. See, there are so many fans of mine who are doing, on my request, doing something good for the society, good for the other people. Try to be good. Keep that smile always on your face. Don't try to hurt somebody else. If you can go one extra yard, go and keep people happy. Nothing gives. That immense happiness you get out of that is something which you will treasure. And that is your jagir, and that is with which you can live happily ever after. Thank you, my friends. And nice to have been with you. And I thank all the technical crew who made it possible to talk to you. And everybody is saying 50 more years. Don't exaggerate things. You just pray God that I should sing as long as my vocal cords permit me to do a better job to the compositions of my music composers. This juncture I am thankful to all my composers, my lyricists, my musician friends, my recordists. Don't think I am mentioning at the end. My parents, who has given me this great birth, and to my family, who are still bearing with me with all my things. Okay, and they are my strength. You are my strength. I promise you, I'll go further to keep you happy. But I promise you, I will not sing when my faculties will not permit me to sing properly. I will not be boring you with my singing. Thanks for being with me again. Au revoir. God bless you all. Take good care of yourself. Thank you.